Good morning, guys. Start the day with me. So I bought this pumpkin the other day, butternuts. I want to put them in the oven, then use them to make chapos and some butternut cake, malenge cake. And then here I'm boiling some beans. I got these specific beans from a South African shop here. So I took them. I'm boiling that, and then just put this inside the oven. I'll put some extra virgin oil, and then I'll just put inside the oven. So as that cooks, I'll just make some pancake for now. I want to put oats inside. This is the oats I'm using. And then just some milk, an egg, and this is just normal wheat flour. Here I'm making some tea. I had missed tea that is made from the sufuria. Every day I'm making tea from the cup. I boil maji and then I just put milk, like English tea. I had missed this type. My first pancake came out nice. So I put some majani. I brought this from Kenya. I just put kidogo, and kama this tea is too small, I'll just add some milk so I can drink again later. Add a bit of water and some milk so I can drink again later. So guys, my pancakes are ready. Here's my tea. Let's go sit, eat this as we watch this woman. So guys, I'm eating carrot. See, I need to clean my section. Our other roommate left, so this was her section. I've just been putting their clothes. Just see how I just need to fold my clothes and put back on my section. So I'll just put here a few things that I can remove when we have a new roommate. That's what I want to do as I wait for Marago to boil. I need to be recording like this because my son usually disturbs my mother. Please, I want to watch my mom. I want to watch my mom. So if I take with back camera, like if I take without putting my face, he will not be seeing me. So I'm here, baby. That's how the wardrobe looks like. I just want to remove everything and fold, and then remove the ones that I want to wash. I like eating carrots raw rather than when it's cooked. Let's do wait. Me, after convincing you guys that you're going to fold those clothes, where? Dubai kuna baridi. Imagine the sun is out. There's no AC in this house, but the cold that this is in this house. Where? So nikajifunika hivi kidogo and nikakuwa comfortable. The clothes are still there. Muni convince. What's wrong with my face? Okay, I've eaten. I did not even wash my face. Siku hizi niko na tabia mbaya. But najua sio mi peke yangu. I've not washed my face. And I don't know what's wrong with it. So I'll just comfort myself here for a few minutes and then I'll decide whether I'm folding those clothes or again this week that wardrobe will look like that. But I had promised my roommate that when she comes back from work today, she'll find my closet looking neat. Because for her, hers is always neat. Not always. It's neat though. So she gave me a challenge. But it's not a lot. Oh. I'll just comfort myself here for a while. And then I will wake up and do it. It's really cold inside this house. It's cold. And outside there is sun. Oh. I can't put back camera. You see there is sun outside. From here it looks cool because this glass, it's tinted. From outside you cannot see in if it's during the day. That's why you're seeing like that. But outside there is sun. And it's really cold inside here. I managed. Nimesema acha tu nitoe hizi vitu nipange saizi. Ndio hizi. Ona vile hizi nguo ni nyingi. So acha nipange tu saizi as I watch this movie. Iko na my favorite actor. Kuko hivi empty. So nataka niweke like vitu zenye sivai niweke tu kando juu nikimix na zingine. That's how I come up with an wardrobe haijapangwa. Juu naenda nikitafuta huko ndani. So vitu zenye sifai rahisi, sivai like frequently, I'll put them aside. And then zenye zina need washing, I'll put them aside. And yeah, so I'll just fold and bring you back when I am half or 3/4 of it out of the way. Ndio tusiweke a very long video. So yeah, let me just start folding right now. So this is how it's looking. Up is where I put my bed linen and my towels, and then here is where I put my toiletries and stuff like pads, my shopping, soap, shampoo. This for my nails I just got the other day. And then my bank, I've been trying to save some things, some coins there, not coins, some cash. And then for the first one, I just put my tops and trousers that I wear most of the times, mostly jeans, and then tops this side that I wear here most of the times, and then bodysuits. I don't wear that much, but I didn't have any other place to put. Inside it's dresses and some tops and things that I don't wear often. So here is other more trousers, but not jeans, that I wear most of the times. And then here is a mix of skirts, dresses that I don't usually wear most of the times. So here is my tights and things for gym whenever I go, but mostly I just wear it to work. So down here, these are sweaters and warm clothes and everything here, sweaters and warm tops. And then my lassos, 2 lassos, because that I use most of the time. And then on this other side, this one I'm planning to give away because it doesn't fit me, but it's a beautiful top. This is what I wear most of the evenings when I'm sleeping. This is not mine, I need to give it away. Charger. And then this I'm planning to wear today, this, and to use this towel and wash the other one. So yeah, that's how it's looking. I really tried. Now my place looks neat. So I'll just make this side, and then I'll go and make my cabinet in the kitchen. That one I don't know if I'll make today because tomorrow I'm off again. Maybe I'll make that tomorrow. But I've changed my bed. I really hate this blanket, but there's nothing I can do about it. So I changed my sheets. Here they are. I will wash them today or tomorrow. Si ndio mimi hapa, and I never washed my face in the morning. Hey. So I'm planning to wash right now. And it's hours since I woke up. What's the time? It's 2:19. This is what I use to wash my face. So I'll just wash it. After washing it, I spray with this. Because I'm inside the house, I will not apply anything. So I'll just wash it, apply that, and stay like that. If I'm going out, then I put on SPF. But for now, I'll just spray that and stay, because I'm not going anywhere. Hata sijui mbona macho yangu inafura. So it's 5. I look like I'm Chinese. So it's 5. Tupike. Do you know what? Marago zangu ziliungua. And every time I boil beans, they usually burn. I don't know. I usually forget that I am cooking, and then it burns. So we'll just kanda unga ya chapati, and then we wash this. Even my thing here, it cooks until it's see, they're ready. So I'll just make chapati. Alafu, we wash this. I was supposed to go today to swim. I told someone to teach me how to swim, so I was supposed to go, and she's been calling. I've been ignoring the calls. So let me do this fast before she calls again. If she calls again, I will go. If she doesn't, then I won't go. I want to go. Acha nifanye haraka haraka before she calls. It says, I called you and you never came. So that's what I am planning to do. I'll just kanda unga ya chapo with this. And then I let it sit as I wash dishes. I'm going for swimming. I put on my swimming costume. Just see the way it's beautiful. And then reaching there, the ladies already went. So bad. Waste of outfits. Waste of outfits. Nani meunga. Nani meunga. So guys, I finally finished. This is how the chapatis are looking. Nice and yellow. This is my beans and it tastes so... Hata sija taste. Anyway, okay. So I just want to serve whatever we eat and then the rest I will put away.